I grind my teeth and I've got constant aches here and it gets right up to my temples. I've lost all the bottom teeth on this side. I've literally split them.
Through the grinding?
Through grinding and biting so hard.
My aim here is to try and offload some of that discomfort that you're living with. I'm going to give it my absolute best shot.
The nasal part stopped, but I've still got a bit of ache here. The headache there, nothing today. And I've had a headache every day for months and months and months on end with no reprieve, and it's been awful. So I'm really pleased about that as well. So thank you very, very much. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Hi, I'm Naruschka. Today we will be talking to and treating, hopefully, a lovely lady called Tracy. Tracy has come in with her bruxism issues. Now, bruxism is something that we have visited before, and just to remind you, bruxism is when you have a problem with teeth grinding unconsciously, and there's a huge psychological element behind this teeth grinding because it's spanned by internal stress and aggressors that we accumulate in our lives. And for some people, they have this issue for a period of time, and some people have actually lived with it for most of their lives. So Tracy has been suffering with bruxism for a very, very long time, to the extent where actually her situation has become very chronic. She has never been offered any treatment, and she has gotten to a point in her life where her teeth have been under so much stress from her grinding and clenching that actually she has lost a lot of her dentition. So we are hopefully going to improve Tracy's life, because at this point of time, she's been suffering for such a long time that there's a lot of pain involved and a lot of suffering involved. And if we can alleviate that, then hopefully we can improve Tracy's experience of her everyday life. So, Tracy.
Yeah.
All right, so we've had a little chat before, but just for the sake of our viewers, can you tell me about what's brought you here?
I grind my teeth and I've got constant aches here and it gets right up to my temples. Sometimes I get headaches like that, and round the back. I've lost all the bottom teeth on this side. I've literally split them.
Through the grinding?
Through grinding and biting so hard.
So when you talk about what happens with your teeth, do you also clench as well as grinding? Okay, all right. So that compounds the pressure on your teeth even more. I expect that's probably why you're cracking them, actually. Yeah. Okay, and tell us more about how this affects you in terms of pain and discomfort. What are you experiencing?
Well, I've got fibromyalgia, so I've got pain everywhere anyway, but I can tolerate it as long as the pain's not in my head. But when it just things to my teeth and gives me like toothache, or I get toothache where there's not a cavity, it actually makes my teeth hurt, makes my jaw hurt, and that pain is sort of like the house of cards, and that's the last one that knocks them all down again, and I have to really build up the pain tolerance again. Yeah. So it's hard.
It's a lot to cope with.
Yeah.
Yeah. My aim here is to try and offload some of that discomfort that you're living with, and I'm going to give it my absolute best shot. And then it's important for people to also know that there is a follow-up, because this isn't an instant effect. It takes time. You'll probably get the first effect somewhere between a week to maybe 2 weeks. Sometimes it can be earlier, actually 5 to 7 days even.
Okay.
That's okay, a week to 2 weeks. You should notice some difference, and then it will get better as the effect has more momentum, as the muscle responds better and can do less of the overuse. Then that's when you will start to notice the effects, and so it should relieve any headaches. Okay. And you should find that you have less of stiff necks and neck pain and jaw pain, that type of thing. Okay. And less stiffness from all the overuse of the muscles too. And I will give an additional dose to improve and build on whatever we've achieved the first time around.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you.
Okay. All right. Superb. Do you have any questions for me though?
So how did you discover how was this discovered that Botox could help? I don't get how. So how it does it.
Botox is really good for undoing overuse, which builds this muscle memory where the muscle kind of just wants to carry on doing that. And it's actually used throughout the body in lots of different areas. Overactive bladders, and other areas like blepharospasms, when people have a spasm involuntary in the eye.
I get one of that.
Yeah. So this is really good for interrupting that, and just, sort of building new muscle memory so that actually you don't have to rely on it in the long term, because eventually you will find that you have a lot less of that actually occurring, and so actually less need for the medication too. So for the next few days, just avoid anything vigorous, no hot baths or hot showers or massage in the area, and that's it really. And we're going to hear more from you, aren't we, because you're going to do us a little video diary, which will be wonderful, so we get a real insight into your experience.
Okay.
Yeah, this will be fabulous.
Fine.
Good.
Fine.
So I haven't traumatised you after all.
Thanks.
Excellent. Okay. All right. Good. So, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope that's been useful for you. If you've enjoyed it and you'd like to see more, please consider subscribing and tuning into our social media channels.
Hi, this is day 1 after my injections. Just wanted to show you there's a few bruises. You see there? But this side has hardly got any at all. No pain. The ache in this jaw gone. Hi, it's day 2 after the injections, and no swelling of the face. Bruising, very minimal. This side's come out a bit more. You can see there. But there's nothing else happening. It's now Monday. So that's Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and still no swelling. I think it's going to be the same from now on, just bruising, virtually alleviated. Haven't been taking any extra painkillers. All's good. Just wanted to show you, I think there's a little bit more bruising. Tomorrow I'm going to try with the arnica gel if I can get it. I couldn't get it beforehand, and I normally wash with arnica, so I didn't see the point in having it, but if it's going to help the bruising disappear quicker, I want to show you that it can. For those of you who don't want to sit with bruises day after day, I don't wear a lot of makeup. This can be concealed with concealer very, very easily. The nasal part stopped. But I've still got a bit of ache here. The headache there, nothing today. And I've had a headache every day for for months and months and months on end with no reprieve, and it's been awful. So I'm really pleased about that as well. So thank you very, very much, thank you. What do you think? Do you think it's gone down? I think it has. Last night, this was puffed up on that side, so I don't know if something's happened or it was just eating more the last couple of days, eating less today, so it looks like it's gone down a bit. Not that I could see any swelling anyway. I feel really good today, so we're off out. It's now 3 weeks since I had the injections into my jaw, and they've really helped me, and I've really come on great. I had one little spasm about 2 days ago, and other than that I've had no spasms, so it's been really good. And the spasms used to make me bite my tongue, make them bleed, especially when I was going to sleep. I have lost another tooth, but that was a crown. It's been loose for a long time. The pain getting them was very minimal. The pain during the bruising was not there. I got relief straight away. So as you can see now, I've got no bruises here. And that's 3 weeks on, and I'm still really happy, and I'm looking forward to my next lot. Thank you.
Hi, I'm So I'm really grateful for Tracy coming to